Are you looking to shed some extra pounds but don't have time to hit the gym or any equipment at home? No problem. Today I'm sharing the best exercises for weight loss that you can do right at home. No equipment needed. These workouts are effective, easy to follow, and perfect for beginners or anyone short on time. Before we jump into the exercises, let's warm up to prevent injuries and get your body ready. Spend 1 minute on each of these moves. March in place. Lift your knees high and swing your arms to get your heart rate up. Arm circles. Extend your arms out to the sides and make small circles, gradually increasing the size. Bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and lower into a squat, then push back up. This quick warm-up will get your blood flowing and loosen up your muscles. Ready? Let's move on to the main workout. Exercise 1, jumping jacks. This classic move is a fantastic full-body workout that gets your heart pumping and burns major calories. Start with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump your feet out while raising your arms overhead, then jump back to the starting position. Aim for 30 seconds of jumping jacks, rest for 10 seconds, and repeat for another 30 seconds. If you're a beginner, you can modify this by stepping side to side instead of jumping. Exercise 2, burpees. Burpees are a powerhouse move that targets your entire body and boosts your metabolism. Here's how to do them. Start in a standing position. Drop into a squat, place your hands on the floor, and kick your feet back into a plank position. Do a push-up, then jump your feet back to your hands. Explode upward into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. Aim for 30 seconds of burpees, rest for 10 seconds, and repeat for another 30 seconds. If burpees feel too intense, you can skip the push-up or the jump. Keep pushing, you've got this! Exercise 3, mountain climbers. This move is amazing for burning fat and strengthening your core. Start in a high plank position with your hands under your shoulders. Quickly alternate bringing your knees toward your chest as if you're running in place. Aim for 30 seconds of mountain climbers, rest for 10 seconds, and repeat for another 30 seconds. Focus on keeping your core tight and your movements controlled. Exercise 4, high knees. High knees are a great cardio move that also engages your core. Stand tall and jog in place, bringing your knees up to hip level while pumping your arms. Aim for 30 seconds of high knees, rest for 10 seconds, and repeat for another 30 seconds. If you're a beginner, you can slow down the pace or march in place instead. Keep moving, you're doing great! Exercise 5, plank to toe tap. This move strengthens your core while also working your shoulders and legs. Start in a high plank position. Lift your right hand and tap your left toe, then return to the plank. Alternate sides. Aim for 30 seconds of plank to toe taps, rest for 10 seconds, and repeat for another 30 seconds. Focus on keeping your hips stable and your core engaged. You're crushing it! Exercise 6, skater jumps. This lateral movement is great for burning calories and improving balance. Start with your feet together, then jump to the right, landing on your right foot while swinging your left foot behind you. Jump to the left and repeat. Aim for 30 seconds of skater jumps, rest for 10 seconds, and repeat for another 30 seconds. If jumping feels too intense, you can step side to side instead. Keep going, you're almost done! Exercise 7, bicycle crunches. This move targets your abs and obliques while also engaging your legs. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your legs lifted. Bring your right elbow to your left knee while extending your right leg, then switch sides. Aim for 30 seconds of bicycle crunches, rest for 10 seconds, and repeat for another 30 seconds. Focus on slow, controlled movements to really feel the burn. You're doing amazing! Great job! Now let's cool down and stretch to prevent soreness and improve flexibility. Spend 30 seconds on each of these stretches. Child's pose. Sit back on your heels, stretch your arms forward, and relax your forehead on the floor. Cat-cow stretch. On all fours, alternate between arching your back and rounding it. Seated forward fold. Sit with your legs extended and reach for your toes. Take deep breaths and let your body relax. You've just completed an amazing workout. Tips for success. To maximize your results, here are a few tips. Stay consistent. Aim to do this workout 3 to 5 times a week. Pair it with a healthy diet. Weight loss is 80% nutrition and 20% exercise. Track your progress. Take before and after photos or measurements to stay motivated. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout. Remember, progress takes time, so be patient and celebrate small wins along the way. And that's it. The best exercises for weight loss at home, no equipment needed. Which exercise was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fitness tips and workouts.